Hello and welcome back. As usually typically happens with me, I end up getting into projects and starting something like doing a repair on a whippersnipper, Husqvarna 125C, and I get all the way there to actually almost nearing completion of the repair and realized, you never took a video of this, and it would have been an awful great thing to share on YouTube. So basically what happened was the starter was no longer engaging because this unit here, which I just repaired, was not engaging. This is where it mounts onto the Husqvarna trimmer there. It wasn't there like that. And of course, with centrifugal force, these little ears, or what they call Pawls, they engage and they hook to the engine and spin the engine, and with spark and fuel and air mixture, air fuel mixture, you get a firing, and then the engine runs. So anyway, I took it apart. Basically, what happened was these little Pawls here, these plastic Pawls, you see I have them drilled out now. And I did take some pictures because a friend of mine was interested in this, the pictures of the repair. And so I took some pictures as I was actually doing it. And it was only then I realized I should have took a bloody video. Okay, so the tips broke off. Basically, they just pushed through. Not even circlips here on either side here. It was just little plastic stems popped through. So I drilled them through and I put these screws in. Right here. You have to take them pretty well dead center. I got that one a little bit off center because he had put us the pawl wasn't exactly lined up after I cleaned off the edge that was there. Of course, I had to take a file on the opposite side of this and flatten it and take it with a punch and try to get it as straight as possible. But it does work, as you can see. The spring is back there engaged, and so I do have some pictures you'll see that I'll incorporate into the video somehow. I haven't done pictures before, so bear with me. So now I'm going to reassemble and see if this works. Also a little disassembly of this pawl unit and reassembly. You take out your spark plug. The spark plug is over here. Take out the spark plug and you bring the piston down. You can look inside and you can see the piston. Bring it all the way down. Then put a piece of rope down into the cylinder, maybe 4 or 5 inches, 6 inches down in there. And then when the piston comes up, it jams basically the whole crankshaft and everything. The piston gets jammed, so then you can take this Allen key, if I can get it in shot, and you can loosen it. And of course, it's counterclockwise to take it off this shaft. So if I could just put this camera down, it's going to be a bloody terrible shot. I know it's a beautiful day though. Let's see, maybe I'll put you up here just for reassembly. And I apologize, I did not get this disassembly part. So basically, yeah, hopefully it's all in shot. This spring goes in the back here. You line it up so it fits in with these grooves, like that. And that goes in to the motor, like so. And then this goes onto the shaft. Now I have the rope there, so now once I get this relatively tight, the piston's going to move, but then it's going to bring up on the rope on the whatever stroke it needs, upstroke, so I can tighten it. I don't know the foot pounds on this, but here it is. You can see it's turning now, you see? And now it's brought up because it's brought up by the rope. Now, I'm just going to take the Allen key here, and I'm going to have to go on the other side. And That should be tight enough. Okay, I'm happy with that. And there you go. Now I have to find my torque screwdriver to get these torques out again, and then reassemble this, of course. Make sure it's engaged, and then we can go back to troubleshooting the carburetor, which I think needs adjustment. Thanks for watching.